Hi there, this is Wendy. Welcome. Today I'm going to case one of my favorite new catalog projects. So the great thing about the Stampin' Up! Catalog is they have all kinds of ideas in there, and here's one of them. And I love this little card over here. So I'm going to case it. I'm using the Check You Out stamp set, which is so stinking adorable. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to use Smoky Slate ink and the congratulations sentiment to stamp a background on this Smoky Slate designer series. Nope, not designer series. It's cardstock. So I'm just going to repeat stamp all the way down to the bottom of this card. Really super simple. This is such a great technique anytime that you want to create a background, but maybe you don't have the right paper or you're not sure about the paper you do have, if it will work with the card. This is a really simple, quick way to create a fun and interesting background. So I'm just repeat stamping over and over the word congratulations from this stamp set. And you could do this with happy birthday or just a little note. You could use any of the sentiments in this set to create a fun background like this. So in our Stampin' Up! Catalogs, we always have fun inspiration and ideas for pretty much every stamp set that's in the catalog. Some have more, some have less, but I just loved this card and I loved the color combination. So normally when I am creating, I create with a purpose. I have a reason I'm creating a card, like somebody I'm giving it to, or a specific event or something like that. This one I did not. So it was actually a little weird for me to write the blog post and come up with, by the way, I'm stamping in Smoky Slate, Bermuda Bay, Granny Apple Green, and Poppy Parade. And there is a color combination image on my blog if you want to save that onto your Pinterest for your color inspiration board. I have a board on my Pinterest page that is all color inspiration. So if you do that as well, you can hop over to my blog at loveandstampin.com. The link is in the description below the video, and save that color combo. So then I'm stamping on a piece of scratch paper here to cut out this little book, because I'm going to make this book dimensional, and this will just add a little bit of interest to the card. Really easy to fussy cut because it's nice straight lines, so not difficult at all to get that book all sorted and made. And then I've got another book I'm stamping down below here. Okay, so basically every once in a while I see something in the catalog that I really, really love, and I just have to case it and make the same card. I will say, I think the one in the catalog is smaller. I think it's a note size card, and I made mine a little bigger. This is Bermuda Bay cardstock, and it is cut at 3 3/4 by 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then this is a stitched rectangle piece from the stitched rectangle dies. And so all of these products are available in the new catalog, and in the link below the video, I have all the information there, so you can get any of these items that you need. I'm going to use my embossing buddy here to put a little talcum powder on this, and then I'm going to use the brand new shimmer white embossing powder and stamp this sentiment, Check You Out, and then I will heat emboss this. So anyway, as I was saying, I usually create with a purpose. Generally speaking, I try really hard to make a card that is for a specific reason, cause, a specific person. And this one, I just loved the colors so much that I just went ahead and made it anyway. And I'll just tuck it away, and I'll have a congratulations card for a kiddo in the future. So there's plenty of opportunities in my life. At the age I am, there's lots of kids around me. There's kids graduating every year from different things. In fact, my daughter will go into 6th grade and graduate from 6th grade next year. So I could even save this that long if I wanted to and give it to her then. It's just really cute and fun. I'm going to use Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of the sentiment and pop it up. And that's the card. How easy and quick and fun is that? I absolutely love it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Here's a couple other videos for you to watch if you're interested. Shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com. Click on the circle with my face to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will catch you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.